Hello everybody, here Pablo and Raquel, and finally we're gonna start with our online classes. So the first class, this is the intermediate advanced level. So we're gonna start with our style, Smoot Bachata, okay? And this class mix a little bit the basic with the movement, okay? We're gonna start with a little combination about this, and after we're gonna finish with some footwork. Yes? You ready?
You ready, guys? Let's do this.
We're gonna start from the hack. For us, it's super important the connection. So I'm gonna explain it faster. Look, my right hand is in the lower back and the left hand is in the shoulder blade. So from here, we're gonna start to know the girl. So try to always start dancing with the girl like this and stop with your basic. I love to know first the girl and after start dancing. So from here, we're gonna start with a basic. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and tap. We're gonna break back with our left, doing 1, 2, 3, and 4. The only thing that I'm doing is back basic, left,
Forward for the lady,
right,
step,
and tap. All this with the connection. You see that we are not separate and we are not doing the things without connection. So from here is like 1, 2, step, and tap. And now we're gonna do the same with the right, but now we're gonna start mixing the basic with the movement, okay? So before I start the 5, I'm gonna look for this. I breathe, because I need to make space between us, and we start doing the same basic, but now look, body roll forward, body roll back, connection, and tap. Yes? So from here on 5, we're gonna do this. Back, forward, step, and tap. And we're gonna finish with a middle or half distance. Yes? From here, from this side, look. It's like back, step, step, and tap. And with the lead, we're gonna do this. Body roll forward, and I press. I release the pressure on 6. On 7, we step, and on 8, look, we tap. Yes? So, mixing both things is like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we go. Break back. 7, and 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? We're gonna do this now with music for practice. Yeah?
Conocí en primavera, me miraste tú de primera. Un verano eterno me enamoré. Y esa despedida de septiembre, en octubre sí que se siente. Noviembre sin ti me dolió también. Llegar a diciembre, sigues en mi mente. Fueron 6 meses y por fin volveré a verte. Llegar en febrero y yo ser el primero en darte flores y decirte que te quiero.
Okay guys, so we continue with the next step. Now we are finishing here, remember, in half connection. So we're gonna start doing our basic. And look guys, we're gonna raise up our hands and we're gonna look for this lead. On 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna go on basic and we're gonna raise up the hands of the girl and our hands at the beginning to make the lead. Yes? On 5, 6, 7, 8, we're gonna lead a turn now for the girls to the left. And guys, for us, it's only a basic to the right. It's like 5, 6, 7, and tap. Okay? Raquel now is gonna start to explaining your style, girls. So listen to the video.
So from this position first, I would just release the connection with the weight of my arms. I am not grabbing the leader in this case, okay? I'm just here with the weight of my arms. He's going to play with them. And I'm going to keep them straight for 4 counts, right? From here, I'm going to use this detail of the head. So I'm just making a look to my right side. Yes? At the same time, I'm tapping. On 5, I'm going to look for this position here. So my elbow is coming in this position. 5. I continue my 6, making a caress. On 7, I'm going to open. On tap, I'm going to connect with the leader, and my left arm, I just place it on the hip. Yes? So from the top, we would do 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, make the look, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Yes?
Easy? Okay, so we continue till here. So remember, all from the top is like 5, 6, connection, basic, 1, 2, 3, and 4, here we go. 6, 7, break back, and 1, 2, now body roll.
Breathe.
5, 6, 7, and 1, 2.
Keep them straight. 5, 6, 7, and
from here, we're gonna play a little bit with the footwork, okay, guys? So from here, we're gonna make a syncopated forward and crossing. So it's like this: 1 and 2 and 3, 4. This is the basic. You're gonna work on this at the beginning, okay? In the levels before, okay? So we're gonna start splitting faster from here. The basic should be like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yes? So with the lead, I need that the girl keep all the time the same tension, okay? Because sometimes when I want to bring you girls or pull you back, your elbow is not answering. So these kind of things, try to avoid it, okay? Because if not, it's super, super uncomfortable for us. Why? Because when I want to bring you here, look, you see, first come your arm and after you. So try to answer faster, okay? It's like 1 and 2 and 3, 4, okay? The way that we're gonna open on 3, 4, we're gonna throw out, okay, to open our position a little bit and to look for the contact with the right hand. So from here is like 1 and 2 and 3, 4. You see? And from here on 5, 6, 7, 8, we're gonna make a twist to prep a turn. So it's like 5, 6, I throw on 7, 8. Okay, and from here you choose if you want to continue on open position or you can start going closer with the girl and keeping your basic like this. Yes? So all from the top. Very slow. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we go. 6, 7, break back, and 1.
keep
2,
the cadence.
3,
Breathe.
5, 6, 7, and 1.
Keep them
2,
straight.
3,
Elbow
5,
in.
7,
Blocking the elbow.
1
1 and 2 and 3, 4. Make the twist. And 7, 8. The
Yes.
same
From this side.
from the
Here. 5,
side position.
6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3.
Breathe.
And 5, and 7, and 1.
Make the look. Elbow in.
7,
And blocking the elbow.
and 3,
And twist.
7, 8. Now yes, with music.
Yo te conocí en primavera, me miraste tú de primera. Un verano eterno me enamoré. Y esa despedida de septiembre, en octubre sí que se siente. Noviembre sin ti me dolió también. Llegar a diciembre, sigues en mi mente. Fueron 6 meses y por fin volveré a verte. Llegar en febrero y yo ser el primero en darte flores y decirte que te quiero. Puede que pase un año más de una vez sin que te pueda ver, pero el amor es más fuerte. Puede que el tiempo nos aleje otra vez sin saber dónde estés, pero el amor es más fuerte.
Okay, guys, so the tip for this class, okay? Don't forget the connection in the beginning, okay? In the first combo, it's very important that you maintain the connection, that you try to breathe in the body roll, okay? And for the ladies, remember the arm styling, everything soft, don't run, and keep it calm.
Yes, and for finish this, important for the girls too, the connection with the hands, okay? If you are not answering to the pressure all the time, the hands goes like this, and you can understand how the footwork works. Okay, so be careful with this and pay attention and let's practice. Continue with the net.